dito. So we have 2x minus 2x cancel out. Okay? So, wala tayong like terms dito. So, we can proceed dito naman sa kabila. So, we have 2x minus 2x. Okay? Cancel. Okay? So, ganun pa rin. Wala na. So, delta y equals, again, rewrite the remaining terms, 4x squared plus 2 delta x plus 4x delta x minus 1. And then, negative 4x squared, negative 4x delta x, negative times negative 1, so positive 1. And then, negative times negative positive 2 delta x. Okay, again, copy the LCD. Okay, next, combine like terms. So we have 4x squared minus 4x squared, 0. 4x delta x minus 4x delta x, 0. Again, negative 1 plus 1, 0. So we are left with ito, positive 2 delta x. Since dalawang positive na 2, 2 times 2, 4, no? So delta y equals 4 delta x all over the LCD. Okay? So next po, no, we can proceed to step number 3, no, already, since this is the simplified expression for step number 2. Okay, step number 3, again, divide both sides by delta x. Okay, so delta x over delta x is 1. Okay, so we have 4 over 1 plus 2x plus 2 delta x multiplied to the quantity of 1 plus 2x. Next, we can proceed to step number 4, no? Get the limit value of the function as delta x approaches 0. Okay? So, yung shortcut natin sa limits, no, you just need to substitute 0, no, to your delta x. Okay? So, iisa lang naman yung delta x natin. Okay? 1 plus 2x plus 2 times 0 is 0. Okay? So, we have 2, 1 plus 2x, no, na factors. Final answer, 4 over quantity of 1 plus 2x squared. So this is the value of your dy over dx. Okay, any question po regarding example number 2? Question? Nagets po ba? So dapat magaling na kayong mag-simplify dito. Kunin yung LCD and simplification lang. Nagets ba? Walang sumasagot. So, sige po, pakiclick po yung, ano naman, yung laugh reaction kung nagets. Siguradong nagets sa mga nagla-laugh reaction dyan. Okay, proceed tayo sa last example. Then tomorrow, differentiation formulas na tayo. Again, don't forget po yung computation ng inyong grades and dapat mapasa na sa akin tomorrow yung clear book. Okay, so find dy over dx given the function y equals square root of x minus 1 when x is equal to 10. Okay? So again, first step, no, we need to substitute y plus delta y to our y and x plus delta x to our x. Next, okay, proceed to step 2, subtract y on both sides. So delta y equals x plus delta x minus 1 minus square root of x minus 1. Okay? Next, proceed to step number 3. Okay? So step number 3, divide both sides to delta x. Okay? So, since if dito, no, you can see that if we are going to substitute na, no, using step 4, no, 0 dun sa delta x values natin dito, no, 0/0, no, indeterminate. So, we need to rationalize, no, since we have a square root na function dito sa numerator. So, we need to multiply both of our numerator and denominator to its conjugate. Ano po ang conjugate natin dito? Ano pong conjugate natin? Guys, anong conjugate?
Root of x plus delta x1 plus square root of x.
So, square root of x plus delta x minus 1. Medyo mahina yung boses kaya hindi ko marinig plus square root of x minus 1. So, plus po yung kabaligtaran. Okay? So, after multiplying, no, we need to simplify, no? So, simplify your numerators and denominators. Okay? So, delta y over delta x is equal to x plus delta x minus 1 minus x plus 1. All over, copy your denominator. Okay? Then next, no, we can combine our like terms. We have x minus x, 0. Negative 1 plus 1 is also 0. And you can see, no? Sige, sulat na muna natin. Delta y per delta x equals delta x all over delta x quantity okay. So you can see the delta x no, on our numerator and denominator. Delta x over delta x is 1. Okay, so next, delta y over delta x equals 1 over square root of x plus delta x minus 1 plus square root of x minus 1. Okay, so this is the simplified version of your step number 3. So we can now proceed to step number 4, no? Evaluate the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches 0. Okay, so limit of 1 over square root of x plus delta x minus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 as delta x approaches 0. Okay, so substitute 0 no, to your delta x. So we have 1 over square root of x plus 0 minus 1 plus square root of x minus 1. Okay? So, 1 over, okay, square root of x plus 0 minus 1 is x minus 1 plus square root of x minus 1. Okay, so, simplifying, no, dy over dx is equal to 1 over 2 square root of x minus 1. Kaya lang, we need to evaluate, no, the derivative, no, when x is equal to 10. Okay, so when x is equal to 10, so you need to substitute, no, 1 over 2 square root of 10 minus 1, 1 over 2 square root of 9. Okay, so 1 over 2 times 3. Final answer is 1 over 6. Okay, so yan po yung final answer natin for our example number 3. So ayan, na-gets po ba ang 4-step rule? So, tomorrow, differentiation formulas na po tayo. So, yun na po yung shortcut. Ito kasi long method basically, yung 4-step rule. Okay, so kapag quiz po natin and sa exam, no need to use increment method. So, magbibigay lang po ako ng items, para sa increment method dun sa activity natin, problem set. Sa problem set lang. Sige po, yung naka-raise ng hand, yes po.
Miss, ilang items po yung quiz sa Friday?
10 items po. 10 items siya. So, sobrang dali lang nun. Kayang-kaya nyong i-perfect.
Thank you po.
Okay? So, sige po. So, continue natin yung discussion tomorrow. So, dismiss ko na kayo ng mas maaga. So, thank you. Pwede nang mag-leave yung recording as well as yung notes natin dito yung sinulat ko. Ipopost na lang sa Blackboard. Okay, yes po. Naka-raise ng hand.
Ma'am, present po ako.
Okay, wait
Camarate.
lang. Romarate. Okay, meron pa po. Yes po, naka-raise ulit ng hand. Sorry.